The beauty of the mountains is truly captivating, but right now traveling to hills is quite dangerous because you see one side of the road you'll find either blocked or closed just because of the landslide. And this is the Shimla Chandigarh National Highway, which connects Chandigarh to the Shimla, Kinnaur, and further place till PO and Lohal and Spiti. But this road is after 5 to 10 kilometers on each patch or the spot, you will find landslide or the big stones on the road majorly affected after the landslide of heavy rainfall. And today also in 8 districts in Himachal, the schools been shut, colleges been shut. Also 682 roads of state Himachal is being closed or blocked of this landslide or flash flood in all over Himachal, and 3 national highways including this has been affected by the bad weather. And you see the other side as well. One side is open, second side was affected by the heavy rain, and the other side which is through is also affected by the landslide. And at several places, at several patch where the road is being affected or blocked, you'll find Himachal police being deputed for the traffic, for the mobility of the vehicles, and also to suggest people that where the landslide prone area, so the people remains safe, they can travel safe to Himachal. But these days, in spite of this quite beautiful weather, people are not taking any risk. They're not traveling to Himachal. There's a decline in tourists as well. And also due to this bad weather till 30th of August, yellow alert with orange alert today is being issued by the weather department. 8 districts has shut schools and colleges, and also 682 state highways and 3 national highways are being closed. And there are more than 1,000 places where transformers, electricity is being affected and water supply is being disturbed. And this situation is creating a flash flood. Heavy rainfall is creating a flash flood in areas where there are flow of streams or water rivers. And also this landslide has affected the connectivity as well in Himachal, for which people are facing major issue.